here with you, and today we're doing the month of June and the month of July of the calendar that's going in my Etsy store. And I've got these two images, so this clearly a beach umbrella, and then you've got this barbecue. And I've got all kinds of different stickers here that will be fun to use with this. For the barbecue one, I was thinking, because it's dark, to use this as the base, but then we're going to be using some fun orangey, because I have in my stickers some hot dogs and hamburger, and I thought I could use one of those on the calendar as the embellishment. And I'm loving that I'm using my stickers, because I've got all kinds of wonderful stickers and I never get to use them really, because I had purchased these for making scrapbooks and I haven't been scrapbooking in quite a long time, and I just, yeah, and I used these stickers to make cards, but I haven't made any cards that required this sort of stickers in a while, so because I haven't been making summer cards, I make mostly birthday cards and that sort of thing. So okay, so we'll punch holes in this and take it from there after. Okay, if I can get this out, like out. And then, okay, so we've got the little image. Let's chop it down. And like that. So I've got that. I was thinking of using this, but I also have this here, which is some paper that I had used on a project. I'm thinking it would be fun to use on here. So maybe I can use both of these. And then I don't remember the month of May, which side I had put the flower. I think it was on this side, but I still have to do it that way, because otherwise the paper is not going to be on the right side. So like, I don't like the straight edge to be, I prefer the straight edge to be next to another straight edge. That kind of makes sense. And then I'm going to use one of these, and I'm going to use the bright, so I'm going to use this here. So the bright one. And then I've got this here that says barbecue, which would be fun. And then I could put, like I said, I've got these big things. So I could put like a hot dog. Unless I put like the hot dog at the bottom. Let's just put this paper down first. Maybe that's gonna help me figure out the space I've got. I like using the idea of the barbecue word, but it seems a bit big. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, shoot. Maybe I can lift it up enough. Because that was supposed to be tucked underneath here. Okay, like that. Okay, so if I was to raise this up, then maybe I could put the hot dog underneath, and I could put the big barbecue on top. And that would work. to me, when we get to the month of June, it's barbecue season. It's always barbecue season here, honestly. Like even during winter time, we have access to our barbecue and we still barbecue. But it's, you know, we're not obviously eating outside because we'd be in the snow. And that would not be good. Okay, so barbecue. So let's put that up. I could even raise it up even a little bit more. And then I'm going to put the hot dog. And put it right over here. So this is our month of June. Now for the month of July, we're going with beachy theme. So I'm gonna go with blue. So I'm going to use this piece of blue cardstock. And you can see there's some painty paper. I'm thinking of using that as well, just to make it a little bit more fun. There's a lot of thoughts and energy that goes into making these calendars, because obviously there's the making of the image, and then there's the calendar frame itself, and then there's the putting together. So it's a big project in itself, but I really love how they turned out. My husband has been using his for quite a long time, and I just make him new inserts every year. Okay, so that, and then this one we're gonna go with this color, I think. We need July. How are we gonna do this? I could put this right here at the bottom. It could be fun. So I'm going to do it that way. I always save the painty papers. So we're saying something like this. I could use a glue stick. It would give me a little bit more chance in case I don't place it well, but what can I say? I like to live dangerously, I guess. Okay, so that's gonna work out. And then we need to look at what other embellishments I can add to this. I have the word ocean, That would be fitting. And I thought of using this, but it's too big. However, I could put a little bucket, or the shawl is a bit big. I still have my stuff next to me, so let's see what else do I have that I could use. I could use a little beach ball. Here we go. So that's the month of July and the month of June. So hope you've enjoyed these, and I will see you guys for the month of August and September next. Bye!